Is your Hyundai Tucson key fob not working? Let's diagnose the problem. Most issues stem from three main causes: a dead battery, loss of synchronization with the car, requiring a relearn, or a faulty antenna or body control module. We'll focus on DIY solutions where possible, but remember, complex problems might require a professional to avoid further damage. Start by ruling out the simple fixes first. First, replace the battery. The Tucson fob typically uses a CR232 battery. Pry open the fob gently, replace the battery ensuring correct polarity, and snap it shut. If that doesn't work, try a relearn. For 2020 plus models, get in the car with the key, cycle the ignition on and off rapidly a few times, then press the lock button on the fob while near the start button. If neither works, the issue may be with the car's antenna or BCM, which may need professional support, requiring diagnosis and potential repair.